everyone. So now this is a second video for related to the money, and today we are going to talk about the negative emotion for money. Sometimes people have a feeling that it is really difficult, okay, impossible to earn a certain amount. So now we are going to release today the emotion difficult, okay. So whatever the difficult emotion we have, we are going to release it today. So do it with me and do it every day so that you will be really feeling the changes, okay. So myself, Meena Soni, I am a Ho'oponopono practitioner and EFT coach, and also I'm a tarot reader, Reiki grandmaster. In this channel I'm going to teach you a lot of things about EFT and definitely more about the tarot and everything, but this specific video is for your money EFT. Now, what is my request to all of you? Do not skip this video because this is really magical and it is going to help you to open the portal of your stuck amount. So let's start it with a beautiful and good intention without judgment that this is going to help you. So let's start it. Now, we are going to do the EFT for the difficult emotion. So let's start it. Now start tapping here on your karate chop and just say, even though I have a feeling of difficult while earning money or attracting money, but still I love myself the way I am. Even though I have a feeling that it is really difficult to attract good clients and promotion and good things related to money because it is very hard, I accept myself the way I am. Even though I have a very limiting belief, पैसा कमाना सच में बहुत मुश्किल है, पैसा बहुत मेहनत से कमाया जाता है. So that also my limiting belief which I am going to release today. Even though I know that it will take time, sometimes I feel really very panic, but no problem. I have a EFT now and I can really attract wonderful money and I'm able to release all my stuck emotions. So now tell me today, we are going to release the difficult emotion. My dear difficult, I'm so sorry for attracting you. I'm so sorry for not realizing that you have come in my life to just tell me the lesson that nothing is impossible on the planet. I'm so sorry, my dear difficult feeling for money. I have attracted you unknowingly and knowingly. But yes, today I'm going to release you with lots of love and lots of happiness. So here I am. I release my difficult emotion so easily and comfortably. I release my difficult emotion for attracting money and earning money so easily and comfortably. I have a power to release the difficult emotion for attracting money. Now, I'm releasing it so comfortably. I'm releasing it with love and respect. I'm releasing my difficult emotion for how to earn money, how to attract money. And now I'm releasing this emotion so easily and comfortably. I also release my difficult emotion not only for my earning money, even for earning, spending, and also thinking how to earn money from my mind, body, and soul. Wherever it is stuck, the emotion of difficult, even when I talk to the people about money, even when I think about the money, I'm releasing it so comfortably now. I release my difficult emotion from my mind, body, and soul for attracting money. So easily and comfortably I'm releasing it. I released today my emotion difficult for earning money, attracting wonderful clients. Now, I released it with love and regards. I'm feeling so comfortable to release it because I know this is my emotion. I have created it and I have a power to recreate another beautiful positive emotion. So I am very happy while releasing your difficult to you because I know your work has been done. I release you, my dear difficult emotion, not only for money, for many areas of my life. Thank you so much for coming in my life, teaching me this lesson and going back. Thank you. I love you, difficult emotion. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. Everyone, just take a deep breath in. Hold. Now, we are going to imbibe a new emotion. It is very easy for me to attract money. I'm a money magnet. I allow my mind, body, and soul to attract money so quickly and so easily, like this. I allow myself to attract beautiful, wonderful clients in my life automatically from anywhere or everywhere, so easily and comfortably. I'm a money magnet who's attracting money even when I think about it. So I am creating space today with the power of EFT. I'm a wonderful money magnet and a firm believer that I can earn money so easily even when I'm sleeping. I allow myself to have this belief throughout the day, 24/7, that whenever I'm breathing, money is working for me, money is coming to me. I allow this energy for my body, mind, and soul. Even my each and every neurons of my body are responding me that yes, they are comfortable to attract money so easily and quickly. I'm very much comfortable to attract money, and even when I'm not thinking about money, the money is thinking for me, money is coming to me. Thank you so much, dear money, for choosing me for the beautiful cause that I am born here to enjoy money. I am born here to work with money. I am born here to respect money and to give respect to money as well. Thank you so much, dear money, for giving me this beautiful comfort and comfortable feeling with you. I love you the way I love myself. I really love you the way I love my mother. I love you the way I love my daughter. I really love you, dear money. Thank you so much for being so comfortable with me, coming to me, talking to me, and working for me 24/7 hours. I imbibed this beautiful energy that yes, money is so easy to earn, even when I'm breathing, even when I'm sleeping. Thank you so much, dear money, for creating this a beautiful, beautiful, comfortable connection with me. I really love you. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm very much comfortable with money and I'm earning money so easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me so easily even when I'm sleeping, even when I'm thinking about it. I allow my mind, body, and soul, my all the auras, all the chakras to attract money so easily. I allowed my body, I allowed my mind and soul, I allowed my entire neurons to attract money like this. I already allowed my body, mind, and soul to work with money with so comfortable. I allow myself to attract money infinite, even when I'm thinking about it or sleeping. Thank you so much, dear money, for attracting and coming to me. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Now rub your hand, touch your face, and take a deep breath in and say, I'm very comfortable while thinking about money. No matter what is the amount, I am really a magnet to attract money. Just relax. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session. Please type in the comment when you were doing, what was your feeling, and when you have done, how are you feeling now. Do it every day. Okay, this is a challenge. Do it 21 days and see what changes are you bringing. Thank you so much.